Hello dear students, today you have to write the notes for rounding numbers, that is rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. I'll explain to you how to write these notes. Okay, so you have to write it that way. So first you write the heading rounding numbers. Okay, rounding numbers. Then after that write this way. Write this way of expressing numbers approximately is called rounding of numbers. That is given there, but instead of this you have to write the way of expressing numbers approximately is called a rounding of numbers. Okay, this you have to cut, and instead of this you have to write the way of expressing. Okay, after that write we shall now learn to round off numbers to the nearest to 10, nearest to 100, and nearest to 1000. Okay, after this one you have to write this. Okay, straight you have to write. Then after that write this heading rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Then write example 1 round of 12 to nearest 10. Then write this and also draw this number line. Then write this, observe the number line above. We see that 12 lies between 10 and 20. Then write this, and also write 12 is rounded down to 10. Then write example 2, like same way how to write up to this. Okay, this example 1, example 2 how to write. Okay, rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Then rounding example 3 you no need to write, but you have to check with your textbook and understand how we are rounding the middle number. It is rounding down or rounding up. Okay, this I already explained to you. When a number that is lies between a tens, it will be always rounded up to the nearest 10. So you have to understand that one, but you no need to copy that one to your notebook. You have to write this rounding numbers, and this one, and also up to here. Okay, rounding of numbers to the nearest 10, and write example 1 and example 2. So that's all for today. You have to complete the notes. Okay, after that tomorrow I will give you rounding of numbers to the nearest, then second one what nearest 100. Okay, that I will explain to you. So write this thing, and after completing the nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000, we will do some exercise to understand this thing. So after writing these notes, just go through these things once again, then you will get a more understanding. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.